Hi dosto, once again welcome back to the channel. This video is regarding the CBSE result. Every one of us is waiting for the CBSE result and it is expected to get released anytime quickly soon. And as you can see on the screen, there are two methods to check or see your result. And this, as you can see here, this is the normal method where you can log into their browser and either 10th or even for 12th you are supposed to give these details online: roll number, school number, center number, admit card number. This is one method, and also there should be another method where you can send an SMS. They will publish the number, which is the number we have to push it. I will make another video once that is ready. And as you can see here, for 2020 this was the number, maybe the same number this time also. So you can send SMS like this, expected to be. So in this video we will clearly discuss on how to log in through the portal without an app from your mobile and see the result. So as you can see on the screen, it is very simple. You have to open a browser from your mobile. No need to install any specific application. You have to directly enter the URL. As you can see, cbseresults.nic.in. This is the URL for sure, and you can enter like this. I will give in my video description, just copy paste. Once you enter the URL and scroll down a bit, you can see here there will be two options given like this. One is for class 10th and one is for class 12th, and the date also they will add it when they push the result outside, which will be in soon. And so as you can see here, once you click on the first link for class 10, it will ask you this many details to enter. Clearly it will be showing like this, expected to be shown like this, class 10 2021. And if you click on the class 12 result link, if you wanted to see a board exam for 12th, you will get it like this, class 12th 2021 results. And you are supposed to enter all the same details like roll number, school number, center number, admit card number for both of them. And you get it from SMS or WhatsApp message from school. Get it from school if you are not having any of these details. Okay, let us take a live example how this looks like. Okay, for class 10th, first let us see what are the details to be entered: roll number, school number, center number, and admit card number. Usually roll number will be an 8-digit number, school number will be a 5-digit number, and center number expected to be 4-digit, and admit card will have an alphabet and number. Okay, this was the format last year also, so we expect the same format this year. If you are not having any of this, please get it from school or confirm to your center. Okay, so after that, once you enter these details, click on submit. There is nothing else you have to give. As you can see here, your marks will be displayed and they will clearly show your roll number, name, and other personal details, date of birth, school, and below you can also see your marks card, totally details, theory, and other things. And there will be a print this page option where you can click and download your result so that you can save it and use it for any time purpose. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe so that we will push you in another informative video once the SMS method is out for checking the result. Thank you so much.